Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the widgets on iOS 14 and the special features that come with the widgets. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So as you can see on my home screen, it's a lot different. It's home to a bunch of widgets. So we have a weather widget, we have the battery widget, and this is just definitely an Apple fanatic's dream to finally have widgets on the home screen just like this. Now before we did have some widgets on the lock screen and in the today's view, but it's much improved and it's the way we actually envisioned it. So this is definitely a dream come true. So what we can do is just swipe over to the left and we have all of our widgets right here. So this is just the normal today's view with new widgets. And then what we can do is just go to the home screen and we have our widgets here. So if you want to add a widget, all we have to do is just simply tap and hold on an icon for about 5 seconds. And then we can see that we have all of our widgets right here. So all you have to do is just hit that plus sign. And then you're going to see that we have a bunch of widgets right here to choose from. So we have the maps, we have the notes, we have the stocks, we have the podcast widget. We also do have our photos widget and a music widget. And you can see it's the For You widget for our photos. So it just automatically categorize our photos. Then we have the following widgets. So we have the Smart Stack, which is just a bunch of widgets in one. We have the batteries, we have the calendar, the fitness, the maps, and much more. So this is really interesting. So what we can do is just do a screen time widget. So you just simply tap on one, and then it'll give you the widget in 3 different sizes. So we have a bunch of different features. So let's try this widget size. So we can just post it right there and then it'll just be there. So we can just set up the screen time widget in settings. But the good thing about these widgets is that we can just simply tap and hold for about 5 seconds. And then we have the option to just remove the widget just by tapping on that minus button. So you could just remove it just like that. And then all of my apps will just move up. So it's just really consistent in that way. Now, if we want to take a look, what we can do is just simply force touch. And then it gives us a chance to edit the weather widget. We can remove the weather widget. We can edit the stack. We can edit the home screen and then remove the stack. So if we actually edit the weather, we can choose a different location for the weather. So this is really interesting. So I just chose a location. This is just a hidden feature. And then you can see for the weather, you can choose your current location as a weather widget or different locations. And you can just search for a location. So let's say, for example, Berlin. And then here it is, and then it'll just be there. So it's just that simple to search. Now, a hidden feature that a lot of people didn't know about these widgets is that you can actually combine 2 widgets in one. So we can just add another widget, and let's say, for example, the stocks widget. Just simply tap on it, and we can see a size for widgets. So we can just simply add this widget. And now you can combine the battery widget and the stock widget to form a super widget. So you just put it in one, and now you're going to see that there's 2 pages for that widget. So I can just simply swipe so I can see the stocks widget and my batteries just like that. So it's really interesting in that way. It's very convenient. So we just do stocks and battery percentage, stocks and battery percentage, stocks and battery percentage. So you basically get the point. So it's really interesting that we can combine 2 widgets in one. We can just edit the stocks so we can see the options we have for a stock symbol. We can also just force touch again. We can remove the stocks widget. We can edit the stack. So we can choose that we want to have smart rotate. We can choose which one shows up first as well. So we just switch it around. Then I guess the battery one would be the one showing up first. So you can see that we have all those different features. So that is basically what we can do. So that's how powerful the widgets are on iOS 14. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video on widgets. If you did, be sure to smash that like button down below, smash that subscribe button. Also be sure to stay tuned for more videos on this channel with more iOS 14 coverage. There will be a playlist link down below, so you can just keep watching the iOS 14 key highlights of the overall software. Also be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is AppleCritics, and be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.